Yes, ma'am. So actually, I had my clusters and exams in between. So one or two classes I might have missed, but then the few classes that I had attended, it was very very interactive. I think you made sure that everybody were inclusive and not just giving to one or two people. You were very encouraging so that everybody speaks up and then not just one or two. So I felt even though I couldn't attend all the class, I was very much benefited. And I've been keeping up 78, 77, 76, 78 in the exam. So I hope to work more, make use of the resources, material, and also the recorded videos and all to work towards getting full. And I just wanted to say you're a very good teacher, ma'am, and I really think that seeing your videos will help me a lot in the exam. So thank you so much, ma'am.